In this webinar, we will examine some of the products and solutions we have launched in the first quarter. The first quarter of this year saw product launches focused on solutions for EMC, power, and electromechanical actuators. Radiated emissions, particularly in mechanical enclosures, can be quite challenging to resolve. It is for this reason that we introduced a new lineup of flex suppressors particularly tuned to 5G frequencies. Aluminum polymer capacitors have exceedingly low ESR thanks to the polymer cathode and aluminum anode. This low ESR results in reduced power losses in switch mode power supplies. With the introduction of A798, these beneficial properties are now available to applications in harsh environments. Piezoelectric actuators have been around for a long time, but not like this. Electroactive polymer actuators are very thin and light that can be integrated into flexible and rigid bodies to deliver a tightly controlled haptic response to the user, resulting in an additionally immersive experience. As power supply switching frequencies increase, the size of the associated magnetics decreases, but only to a point. Eventually, the losses make size reductions increasingly inefficient. Single-turn ferrite inductors are specifically manufactured to meet those challenges. The high permeability of the ferrite core and the low DCR of the conductor results in an efficient inductor, particularly at high currents. In the ongoing expansion of our SMD aluminum electrolytic lineup, we introduced a radial crown construction that is ACQ 200 qualified and is capable of 150 degrees Celsius.